Man, I hate these headphones. These are my favorites. I need my music back. I can't run without, and I'm on a 99-day running streak, so I need headphones by tomorrow, but new ones wouldn't arrive in time. Maybe I can find some old ones laying around. Yes. These are beautiful. But where's my Walkman? I mean, I could just use my phone, but that would kind of kill the vibe, unless I make my phone look like an old Walkman. But these look awful. I guess we have to do it ourselves. Okay guys, first I need the hairdryer. Come on, you need to concentrate. Thanks. Be careful, boss. Swap, please. Let's make the first cut. Almost there. That was close. Looks like we are ready to paint. Well, let's tape it up first. And now, we're ready to paint. Oh, could you wipe that off the screen for me? Thanks. I do like the light blue, but let's spray a few parts darker to increase the contrast.
I really wanna be petty and write a battle rap about a battle rapper. My crew told me not to do that. And I don't wanna give attention to someone that don't deserve it. Why would I ever go do that? Seize the day, ease the pain, change the way I see the day. Every day I gotta do that.
And now for the satisfying part.
And I say something only right, I do that. Everything changed the day I met the big homies. Future Shock, they put me on and never stopped praying for me. Now I finally grew up and they say that they proud of me, cause the man that I'm becoming.
This looks clean already, but the center must be silver, just like in the original, which is why I bought this auto tape.
It's a new world order, supporters who do adore us. I consider them to be friends, so I'm tearing down the borders between my platform and people that really be caring for us. They're early to the performance, I'm glad they don't ignore us. They say that I'm charismatic.
One last clean, putting all the screws back in.
They did most of it for us. I'm looking to know myself better than no.
And finally putting the rear glass back on. And yeah, that's a crack. At least it still holds together. And to finish the look, we need to put some tape on the side anyway. That should hold the crack together. Only one small detail left. We have to include the iconic orange button. And after letting that dry, we're finished. Dude, I wish I could make videos like that, huh? Oh, you totally can. I added a lot of my videos in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. If you want, I can sign you up for my Patreon, where you can get access to exclusive behind-the-scenes vlogs, editing tutorials, and even a VIP Discord, where we can share our videos and give each other feedback when you join the Filmmaker Circle. That sounds sick. Yeah, you can find the link in the description. Also on the pinned comment? Sure. Can you close the door now? This is supposed to be kind of a moment, you know? Oh yeah, sorry. I will just take this. Okay. Huh? Oh no, I will lose my running streak. Who decided to ditch the headphone jack? I can't use normal headphones. I can't even connect my phone to my car anymore, but had to separately buy a Bluetooth receiver. Wait, could I... Yeah, right. Well, we can't connect them directly, but we may be able to salvage the Bluetooth components, making these into actual Bluetooth headphones, which would be better for running anyway. So let's see what we got. Okay, we have a button, the battery, the headphone jack, and the Bluetooth module. So when the power button is pressed, electricity activates the Bluetooth module, emitting high-frequency radio waves broadcasting the device's presence. When your phone detects these radio waves, it displays the option to connect to the device. After pairing is completed, your phone begins sending encrypted data packages. The receiving device decrypts these packages and sends the signal to the speakers, where the digital bytes are converted into analog sound waves. I think that's all we need, so let's put the Bluetooth receiver here, the battery on this side, and some cables. Okay, let's clean them up first.
Love can be a game for two.
Let's get the skunk off.
Knowing what to do.
There's even gunk on the speaker itself. I really don't want to know what it is.
Sometimes it's the enemy.
How's this so difficult? Ah, there we go.
Things keep on changing.
It's all wired up, but we now need to attach the button, and it has to fit perfectly. So let's try our best. That's not big enough, but I have an idea.
Gonna spend about 100 days with.
Yeah, that makes it a lot easier. So now we should be able to... The button fits perfectly, but before we can turn them on, we still need to make the cap for the other side, so we don't get electrocuted. That's too big. That would be the perfect material, but it's too large as well. Oh, we could use this. Yes, that's just perfect. Ugh. Well, it definitely needs some cleaning.
You might as well just end up in my arms. In my arms. In my arms.
They look so sick. Let's see if they work. Why are they not turning on? Maybe it's just that the battery isn't charged fully, right? It has to be. Let's get dressed while we are waiting. Talk about pop music. Talk about pop music.
I wanna dedicate it. Everybody.